Hello, everyone. It's your good friend Jack here, and we're finally back with more Wax content. Wax School is again sponsoring this video series, and we're not sure if it's going to be Wax Daily like it was before, but we definitely want to release some more long form content, maybe covering things like Avalon and other games that are on Wax. For now, we'll get back to the old format, which was just having a look at what was going on in the Wax blockchain on a daily basis, and we'll just kick off like we normally do. So as you can see here, we've got the drop calendar opened up. And we've got a few things happening this week. But to start off, it is obviously Monday. It is the 26th. It is June. So yeah, let's have a little look and see what's going on Wax today. To kick things off, Orchid Hunter, which is a NFT project that has P2E opportunities, collectibles, and lots of things to do with community. And they're launching their first or one of their mini games today. So we're definitely going to check that out. I think it's at 1 o'clock UTC. And what we'll do is we'll probably play a little bit and cover a little bit off in tomorrow's video based on that. Looks pretty good for now, though. So like I said, they're releasing their mini game. Orchid Hunter is just an NFT project with some play to earn opportunities, collectibles, and community, like I covered already. So like I said, we'll check that out and we'll get back to you and let you know what it was like. Moving on from that, we have 40 ounces, which is a PFP collection, and they are releasing 777 PFPs on the Wax blockchain. These are unique pieces, and this is basically just a PFP collection. It looks like it's released by a specific artist, and the artists themselves have, different affiliations with different projects and whatnot. But this seems to be the first of this launch or this collection on Wax. So that's another one we'll be keeping an eye on. I think the NFTs themselves are masks. So again, if you know anyone affiliated with the project or if you know the artists themselves, let us know what you think. Drop some comments below. We always like to get the feedback. To cover off a few other bits, and again, we like to keep these videos short and sweet, but the Chair Universe is back with more unique drops this week as well as Nifty Kicks with more crate drops, and Nova Pangea with story pack drops. Yeah, so make sure to check that out. That's thechairuniverse.com. You can check out the NFT section on the website, and it is the same for Nifty Kicks, niftykicks.io, I believe, and they're doing their crate drops. You might find them over on Nifty Blocks, and Nova Pangea with novapangea.io, I believe, is the website. And again, they're doing their Chapter 2 story pack drops. Once again, we'd like to thank everyone for tuning into the videos. We are glad to be back, and apologies that we did miss out on a couple of weeks there. The team had a lot going on at that time, and we just didn't get round to doing the content that we wanted on a daily basis. Like I said, more long form content is to come, maybe some playthroughs. I'm particularly interested in getting a video done for Avalon before my season pass or my June pass expires. And I just wanted to know as well what everyone else thought was good about Wax these days, what projects they're looking at, what projects they're looking forward to. Definitely drop a comment. And if you haven't already, like and subscribe. Everyone who joins and participates, even if it's just to leave a comment on the videos, it's always appreciated. And these videos can't do much or be much without the community behind them. So once again, I'd like to thank everyone. It's your good friend Jack here with Wax School and EOS Dublin, signing off after another video, and there will be more videos back this week and on a regular basis, like I said. So appreciate it once again, everyone, and we'll chat soon. Bye for now. Wax on.